Good morning, Emil Steffi Velázquez Beltrán. Travel Itinerary. Introduction of the place. Piscina Rio Guajar. It is a very beautiful place when you can Cancun should enjoy where your family and friends. We can look Iran's wonders of the Guajar fun. This place stand at for is natural, richer and beautiful view where you can observe over the shore. In this, a very cool climate for enjoy each of the achieved sand can be cafe or with shark routines services through Durkheim Wehar Canyon. I tour is made fun do what and founds then go to the natural slides, the jacuzzi, the canyon Jordan, waterfoot, and finally you reach the natural pool of Weha. Duration of the trek. The intent trek with los short days and just night with wood visit different tourist sites near the municipality of the Lejanías Meta. The first day, the tour of the Wejar River pool is made and their day will stay coming offered by the tourist fans. The second day there will be a tour the tourist site called Pozo Azul. Their way would enjoy a good climate, and then they will stay in the municipality, where will well reason then will find some very beautiful hotel. The view and last day will go to the tourist site called Las Cristalinas Piedra Gorda. You will enjoy the photo session, a very beautiful view and so you wet is wet. Means the transport time. The means they transport is to make the change routes at modus, cars, and nativity. Activity that dog. The activities those tourists can do and enjoy natural the river, the commons, the camping area. Tank picture enjoy in tourist sites than the municipality also. Typical fonts. The typical dishes are very delicious. You can eat roast meat, dried fish, meal property when eaten and natural. This tastes with the fruit products in municipality, such and poncy fruits, tangerine, orange, black, bay, among theirs. Cost. The cost of the promoted truth package handure and festive thousand per person, very comfortable for you. They can enjoy some fantastic day with your family and friends. Goodbye.